Pineapple casserole is a sweet and savory dish that is made with a cheesy pineapple filling and crunchy buttery cracker topping. If you've never tried this dish before, the pineapple and cheese combination may sound a little weird, and I understand your skepticism, but trust me, you will love this dish. So give it a try and let's make it. I think pineapple tidbits work best for this recipe, but you can use pineapple chunks or crushed pineapple or a combination of both, but you'll take your canned pineapple and you'll drain it and reserve a third cup of the pineapple juice. In a large mixing bowl, mix flour, sugar, and the pineapple juice. Add the pineapple and shredded cheddar cheese and mix. Pour and spread evenly in a greased 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Crush Ritz crackers and mix with melted butter. Sprinkle the crumbs evenly over the pineapple casserole. Bake at 350 degrees for 35 minutes, then rest for 10 minutes before serving. You are going to love it. Make it for a side dish for your next holiday meal or a potluck dinner. For full recipe and additional cooking tips, please visit aforkstale.com.